You're carrying 6 kilograms pag nag-workout ka. Ooh! Hello! Welcome back! So, ito yung video is the karugtong, the continuation of the cabinet part 1. So, mayroon siyang part 2. Hindi ko pa siya na-release kasi akala ko talaga nawala yung video na yon. So, ayoko nang umulit, ayoko nang ulitin. Buti na lang, nailipat ko pala siya sa external drive. So, ito na yung karugtong. And then, this is just an added video kasi hindi ko pala naipasok itong mga gamit na to dun sa part 2. Konti na lang naman siya kasi napansin ko lang na meron pa palang naibigay sa akin na hindi ko pa siya nasama. So, we have here a dumbbell. This is a 3 kilograms dumbbell and also this one. So, they're both 3 and 3, so that's 6 kilograms. Oh, ang bigat din pala, no? You're carrying 6 kilograms pag nag-workout ka. Ooh! This was given by my office mate, mga around 1999 to 2000 or 2000 to 2001. So, kung 2025 ngayon, so mga 25 years na siya sa akin. Wow, ang tagal na. Ooh. And then, he asked me kung ano yung favorite color ko. So, syempre, that's violet, purple, lavender, mga family ng ganon. Hindi ko naman akalain na dumbbell ang bibigay niya sa akin. So, ito siya. Siguro, naisip niya, kasi skinny ako nung mga time na yon, nung 2000, ang payat ko talaga. Siguro, at tapos baka siguro para magkalaman ako dito. Since that time, minsan ko lang siya gamitin. Once in a blue moon ko lang talaga siya punasan. Pero look at this, yung color niya. Diba? Nag-fade man ng konti. Yung dito, kasi syempre ito yung pinapatong. Medyo madumi na siya. Pero look at this. Grabe. Diba? Tingnan mo sa video. Violet pa rin siya. Oh, ang kulay niya. Super ganda. Another is a small bag. Yung nagbigay sa akin ng 90s na pink, siya din yung nagbigay nito. Ang cute, oh. Cellphone, wallet, makeup, yun lang ang pwede dito. Cute. Diba? So handy. Another one is a Denman brush. Masyadong mahaba yung kwento nito, so I made a separate video for this. Watch nyo na lang. So, yun lang. Okay, lahat ng mga gamit na i-share ko sa inyo are all 10 years ago and more pa. Okay, so this is a Von Dutch. Binigay siya sa akin ng isang office mates ko, and I think she's now a Korean resident. Parang pasalubong niya. And I love the details kasi ano siya, the design is punit-punit. After so many years, no, hindi pa rin nag-fade ang kanyang pangalan na Von Dutch. Even the the borda. Ito lang medyo nag-fade na. But ginagamit ko pa rin siya from time to time during my Zumba days and pagpupunta ng beach. Cutie! Yes. Another one is also a cap. This one naman is a sun visor cap. This is a Burberry. The red, the white, and the black. Sobrang tingkad pa ng kulay niya. And this is a gift from one of the parents nung mga preparatory years pa lang yung mga bata. Souvenir and remembrance niya na rin siguro sa akin to kasi she passed away parang mga 4 years ago. So thank you so much for giving this to me. Yes. Yeah, it's so cute. Ginagamit ko rin siya minsan pag nag-zumba or nag-beach. This is a Christmas gift from one of my colleagues also. And this is a 9 West. So after all these years, wala pa siyang mga scratches. Wala talaga, hindi nasira o hindi napunit ang kanyang balat. And it has pocket inside. What's so cute about this is meron siyang pockets on both sides. Here and here. So, cute lang siya. Another one is a pasalubong from Boracay. This is a native product from Boracay. Medyo malaki itong bag na to. If you're planning to go to the beach, diba, syempre may dala-dala ka sa mga gamits, lagay mo lang yung mga cellphone, wallet. This is naman is see-through. So, lahat ng mga gamit mo, pag pupunta ka ng beach, makikita dito. Even the color, ang cute niya. Yes! This is also from Boracay. Ang dami nilang mga pasalubong when they go to Boracay. This one is sobrang tibay. It's a cloth bag. Ito, yan. And there's a packet here. There's also a packet inside. This is from the Tides Boracay. Binigay siya ng isa sa mga staff nila during check-in. Pasalubong niya. Until now, andito pa rin siya sa akin kasi nga sobrang tibay niya. Another one. This is a spray bag. Wala siyang zipper. This one lang. It's just a, para anong tawag doon? Ginagamit ko siyang lagayan minsan ng laptop. Yung charger and all the stuff, ng mga gadgets and everything. After all these years, yung color niya still stays the same. Wow! Meron po siyang kasamang shawl, also from Spray. This one is so simple. Wala lang, masyado lang siyang mahaba. This is a gift from one of the owners or one of the hotel owners in Boracay. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. We're done with the bags. We're done with the cups. This one is a shawl. Okay, ito yung second na binigay niya. First na binigay niya, pasalubong niya sa akin is this one. This is a pang-beach na damit. Sa ngayon, hindi pa rin nasisira yung kanyang mga borda. So cute. Yes. And so, pwede mo siyang wag nang gamitin to or you can tally it here. And, yeah. So, sinusuot ko siya pag pupunta ng beach kasi it's so cute. Even the color is white. So, this one also is a leopard print. And this is one of my favorite colors actually. It's violet, no? Lavender, purple, mga family na ganon. Another one is a combination of parang fuchsia pink, light and dark. This one. Cute. Yeah. Ito yung medyo hindi ko matandaan kung sino ang nagbigay. What I love about this, di ba, aside from the hood, ang lambot ng kanyang tela. So, nagagamit ko siya minsan pag malamig ang panahon, maulan, because of the hood. And this is from Billy Girls by Billabong. So, as you can see, faded na siya sa likod. Pero once na binaba mo naman yung hood, hindi na siya makikita. Yung fade. Ito, binigay siya ng asawa ng boss namin. She loves native products. She's promoting Philippine-made products. And this one, I think, came from Ilocosur. I think it's a mini blanket. Yeah, sobrang malapad niya din kasi. So, it's a mini blanket. So, I use this when I'm in the car kasi pag malamig, diba? Ang sarap lang yakapin. Binigyan niya rin ako, sinamahan niya ng makeup kit. It's a pouch. Yes, Philippine-made product. This one is a sexy 90s. Pink pa talaga. Yeah, binigay ito sa isa sa pinakamaganda naming staff. Yan, so sexy. Yeah. And since, di ba, these days, people are so innovative with wearing dresses, wearing clothes, the mix and match of different clothes. So this one, I think, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng blazer. And then you wear a boots. And pwede ka na mag-party-party. Cute, di ba? So, people are so innovative with wearing clothes these days. This one is a dress from my lovable office mate. Hindi niya na ako tinanong kung ano yung size ko. Basta binigyan niya na lang ako ng regalo. I think that's it for mga pasalubong, mga regalo. Ayan. So, thank you for watching and thank you for joining me today. Welcome back! So, ituloy natin yung kwentuhan natin the last time.